Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in ES6. Use destructuring assignment with the rest parameter to reassign array elements. In some situation involving array destructuring, we might want to collect the rest of the elements into a separate array. The result is similar to array.prototype.slice as shown below. So we declare using constant an array which contains a b, and after that we are using the rest operator to store all the rest parameter to store all the values other than first and second element. So the result will be similar to this. 1 comma 2 will be stored in a comma b respectively, means in a we have 1 and in b we have 2, and the rest value will be stored in arr as an array. Variables a and b take the first and second values from the array. After that, because of the rest parameters presence, ARR gets the rest of the values in form of an array. The rest element only works correctly as the last variable in the list, as in you cannot use the rest parameter to catch a subarray that leaves out the last element of original array. So the task for this challenge: use destructuring assignment with the rest parameter to perform an effective array.prototype.slice so that ARR is a sub-array of original array source with the first two elements omitted. So in this case we have a source. Use destructure so that ARR is sub-array of original array source with the first two elements omitted. So first two elements should not be present here, and the rest should be there. So how can we do that? We will simply use bracket here, and for the first one, for the second one, and afterward convert it into rest parameter, and it should work as intended, as asked in the task. Let's run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.